American Red Cross. We're very excited to be planning this future blood donor program with Manchester Public Schools. So far, we visited all 7 elementary schools, talked to all 7 4th grade classes, all 7 3rd grade classes, and we're sending permission slips home with over 900 families.
My name is Lance Morgan. I'm a part of the Manchester Road Race Executive Committee, and I also am the director of the Manchester Road Race Ray Carver's Blood Drive. The Manchester Road Race has been in the town of Manchester for over 80 years. I think this is our 86th year of running the Manchester Road Race. We are expecting over 12,000 runners on Main Street Thanksgiving morning. The Manchester Road Race is not only about running, but it's about health, community. We're a non-profit organization which puts back money into our community. And so every year, whatever money we raise, we try to put back into our community. And this year we started this new program with the schools, and I'm hoping that this grows and become a partnership of the Manchester Road Race Blood Drive. Manchester is to my heart. This is a sense of community, and I'm very proud of this organization and being a part of it. And I hope that this program we start with the school will be an ongoing program every year.
The blood drive itself takes place at Manchester High School. It is Friday, November 25th, and we really need afternoon donors from 12 to 4 p.m. So if you could come out, sign up online, sign up with your kids' permission slips. Every 1 blood donation saves 3 lives with the platelets, plasma, and red blood cells. So this blood drive is hopefully going to save over 1,000 people's lives easily. We're very grateful for this opportunity and looking forward to another successful year with the Manchester Road Race.